Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once, right? So you have to just go to the Facebook here. So I will just enter into this mobile application, and here you have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and after that you will see this kind of interface, and here you have to click on the settings, right? On the settings we have to go to the news feed. So on the search setting, just type here news, and the first option that we will get, that is newsfeed, right? And here you can see the option of unfollow, that is the third option, right? So just click here, and here these are the people, these are the pages that you have followed them for no reason, and you can unfollow them. So just go there and just click any of them, and after that you can just unfollow it, right? And when you will touch this, you can see there will be a blue line on the outside, so you have to just select. So these are the four, like say for here, for the example I've just selected here 4 pages and the 4 peoples. So here this will unfollow them, right? So you have to just check this. This will draw a blue circle over the outline. So this is it guys, this is how you can do it, and after that you can just go back, and this is it. So I hope you found this video really useful, and if you found it, make sure to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.